making some fried dumplings. I'm going to show you to make the dough. I just use self-rising. My hands are clean. I'm going to nice cooking space. Organization. When we come overnight, we're going to show you exactly what. We're going to wrap it in some cling film and leave it in the fridge. Yeah, remember we left a flour mixture dough for fried dumpling in the fridge overnight. Now we're taking that out. All we gotta do, like this, turn. Doesn't matter what shape you wanna make it at. It's up to you. Choice is here. Nothing, you don't have to get it perfect. You won't get it perfect at first start. You just continue practice until you get it. See the texture of the dough? Just make the amount you want. Look at this. Look at this, and I'm going to show you something. Soft fried dumpling. Soft. Very, very soft.